So we're now here in Glico.
Lot, anong ginagawa mo? Nakahanap ka ng boyfriend.
Oh, what can you say?
Oh my God.
So ayan, oh my God, this is the food district. Today we're going to the World Expo. Hello,
Let's sing
Uncle.
Merry Christmas and a Happy Holiday.
Sa mga taga New York po na Filipinos, ayan po, kasama ko yung Tita Small. I made it to her vlog.
Every 5 minutes?
Open to for the guests.
Di ba pwede ngayon na?
So parang ang ganda, nakikita mo yung kasaysayan ng Pilipinas.
It's good that I'm in Paris. Sabi ko kung coconut pa. Pindangan.
You have to be two big movements.
Here, katang dance ko. Disclaimer, the sole purpose of this video is purely for entertainment. Of course, no bashing. It's for fun. Of course.
Lot, ang tagal-tagal mo. Alam mo, kanina ka pa namin hihintay.
Pinakorek ni sir.
Pinakorek ni. Bakit? Anong mali?
Lahat mali.
Bakit? Ano yan? Guys, lahat ng sinagot ni Lot. Ano to? Any history of receiving a deportation order? Yes. Guys, si Lot, puro yes ang chinek. Correction na to. Nasaan na yung yes mo?
Tinapon ko.
Any history of being convicted of a crime? Not only in Japan. Yes, no. And possession of controlled substance, firearms, and swords, and explosives. Yes, no. Nagalit si Sir Philip. Puro yes. Makukulong ka, Lot. Guys, puro yes ang sagot niya. Kaya ka ba late?
Oh.
Lot, ayokong makakulong dito. Tinanong ka, nakapatay ka ng tao. Yes. Nakulong ka na pa, na-deport ka na. Yes. At ang krimen, ginawa ni Lot. Not only in Japan, pati ngayon.
Yes na. Nona yan.
Nona, ha?
Oh, Nona.
Oh, make sure you know. Okay, very good.
Escalator. I can't believe this is Japan.
You want to take the elevator or the stairs?
You. Baka it will take long, no?
Lot, anong ginagawa mo? Nakahanap ka ng boyfriend. And kamukha mo, sobrang bagay. Lot, sobra kayong bagay. Okay, everyday dalawin mo, ha? Okay, bye.
So, guys, we're now in Shinsaibashi. And of course, we're crossing this very famous spot here na sobrang daming tao. And we just arrived from the hotel. We're walking and looking for tempura. I will let Karen try the best tempura here. And Osaka, of course, so sea of humanity. So we're now walking by the bridge. So, okay, I'm so sleepy, guys. So we're now here in Glico. So okay, we're now having our early dinner, and we're having this grilled king crab. You're so hungry now.
Yeah, I'm so hungry, but look at that. I'm French.
I'm French.
Ayan, it is gonna be great. Oh, wow.
And lemons. Oh my God. I'm so excited to eat. Where's our plate?
They're gonna give it.
So okay, start eating at up. Here, get the biggest. Smells so good. Oh, what can you say?
Oh my God.
So masarap.
With Japan, it's the food.
It's so good. Sarap. I can finish 2 of this.
Lot, enough na. Ay my gosh, ako ginawang cameraman. Lot, wait.
So big. There's 62 kilograms. 62, wow. Kilograms.
That's popular. That's
my weight.
Japanese food.
So, okay, we'll go to M. Matsu. Oh, we'll go to M. Matsu Sakaya. Ano, not Matsu Sakaya. Matsu Sakaya is from the States. So guys, naka-standby kami here kasi may susundo sa amin because yung dinner namin, yung restaurant, hindi namin alam where. So ang instruction, kailangan tumayo dyan, right in front of the octopus. Si Karen ayaw. Sabi ko, can we go there? No, kailangan nasa harap lang ako ng octopus here. Kailangan makita ko. Literal nasa octopus. So guys, by the way, literal, we're now here sa food district. Look how many people. Look. Guys, look. Daming tao. And by the way, that's Don Quixote right in front of there. So ayan, oh my God, this is the food district. Don Quixote there. Oh gosh, look at the pila sa, what's that, yung takoyaki? Lot, diba? Kayo ni Inday nag-try ng takoyaki?
Ako lang,
Anong masasabi mo?
ayoko buhay, octopus pala yun. Ayoko na yan.
Okay, so guys, this is the food district. So okay, I'll go back right in front of the octopus kasi
Ba't sila, ma'am, oh?
wala yung magsusundo sa amin.
Ma'am, ba't sila sarap kain nila?
I won't go, I don't know. Ikaw, but I'm tired. Let's go.
Ma'am, may hotel na ako dyan, oh. Joytel Hotel.
Diyan ka mag-check-in mo.
Opo, ma'am.
Okay.
Pinaparin,
Nakabili na si Lot ng hotel.
pag mapunta tayo sa Pilipinas, pinaparentahan ko muna. Kasi wala magmamanage, kaya pinababaya ko muna dito sa Japan.
Sige. Okay, very rich. Sabi ko na, Lot, I'm so tired. Let's go to... Good morning, guys. So today we're going to the World Expo. Of course, we're here for the Philippine Pavilion, and okay, we'll see our Filipino friends there. So okay, we'll go around and show you. So okay, let's go. Babe, expo tayo.
Ma'am, ang ganda ng kurtina.
Okay.
Lot, hindi ang cortina, mantel yan. So guys, look here. The taxi in Japan is so nice. It's so clean. And look at this. Turn na si Lot. Ano tawag dito? Lace. And of course, show mo naman. Very yung taxi driver, oh. Wearing coat. Mas maganda pa sa outfit ni Phil. And Lot, ikaw. What can you say? Yung cortina. So, okay guys, we're on the way to the expo. And, of course, LC Salataran and the TOTC there. In front. English.
No, English no.
So hard.
Send the push, please.
Okay, this credit card. Match. Okay, and then, see 4,400, oh.
Sorry.
Just to
Select the push.
Oh, yun na. I don't know how. It's so hard.
Thank you.
Guys, hindi ako makaka-survive pag ganyan ng mga, ang way of living. And they cannot even talk to me. I don't know what to do. Okay, good. Go. Okay, we're good to go.
Kalimutan mo, ma'am.
Oh my gosh, my favorite. Okay, may forget. And you know, guys, the taxi driver did not bring us there right in front of the train station. Sabi niya, umakyat daw kami dito, overpass. Guys, look ang taas. Sobrang mapapagod kami. Okay, going to the expo is much faster daw to use the train. So, guys, let's go. Guys, dito, pagod na pagod ako, kakabaw. That's how nakabaw. And, the elevator dito sa counter. So we're going in.
Nawala yung ticket niya, guys.
2 pockets pala. Okay, go. So, okay, look how many people are going to the expo. So, of course, Philippines, my VIP entrance. So, guys, look at the line. So long. We will do a duet. Wait for that.
Let's sing Merry Christmas and a Happy
Holidays. Even if it's summer today, we're singing the Christmas song.
Yeah.
So, okay. So nice. How do you find the expo?
Yeah, very nice.
1970.
55 years ago, there was also an expo here
In Osaka.
in Osaka. And we were, at that time, my wife and I were English teachers in Minoa.
English teacher here.
Teacher in the Assumption School. 1970, 17, 55.
It's not born yet, guys.
55 years ago.
So, okay, Uncle, it's nice to see you here.
I know Carlos Laude. Yes.
The dad?
My dad. Your father. Yes.
We buy sugar from you.
Yes.
Yes, and you know what? Kathy said that we will have a duet.
Please be careful with my heart.
Be careful
That's my song.
with my heart. Yeah. Oh, it will be an honor if you
Beautiful girl. See you. Bye now. Enjoy the day.
still have a very beautiful wife.
Yes.
Okay.
Bye-bye now.
Diyan, nauna na po sila, ma'am. Ako po kasi sa ibang gate po ako pumasok. Sinundo ako ni Ma'am Neng. And sila mamanapin po ngayon, sila ma'am, kung saan sila naka-stay. Ang ganda. Expose,
World Expo.
World Expose pala ito, guys. Ito sa Japan. Every 5 years lang daw po ito pinapalabas. Yun. Ang daming tao. Tsaka maraming country yung nandito. Yung base na yan, nasa Osaka Pavilion po yan. Ito naman yung Grand Green. Yan, ang taas. Nasa loob yung Philippines. Yung sa atin, guys. Nandoon sa atin. Siyempre, hindi magpapatalo yung Philippines. Yan, nakikita ko na yung sa atin, guys. Yung Philippines. Yan, Philippines. Of course, they have Philippines too.
So, okay, we're here sa Philippines. The Philippine Pavilion. Right? Okay, we're going there. Yeah. And we're, hello. They're gonna sing. Taga-Sinulog. Sinulog. From Sinulog. And wait, I want you to see small look. So the outside of the Philippine Pavilion, that's a video of the weaving done by different tribes in the Philippines. All weaving. Galing. So the theme is woven. Woven. Okay. Okay. So Philippines.
Paula will be your guide.
You will explain. Paula will be my guide for today. Okay. Here, gusto kong isuot to. I want to wear this.
So, these are the different weaves of different tribes in the Philippines.
Oh, wow.
So, every 5 minutes, nag-open to.
Gusto ko pagawa ng top. Every 5 minutes?
Nag-open to for the guests.
Di ba pwede ngayon na?
Dear, walang guest nag-iisip, special ka, dear.
Special ako. Walang guess. Pero kang 5 minutes.
Ayan, malapit na yan.
Can you just open?
We want to include everything from Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao, featuring the local artisans hand-woven pieces from the Philippines.
Oh, wow. Okay. I'm just thinking Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao.
Nag-iisip ko daw siya ng tanong.
Who's women? Diba? I'm right? Okay. So, can you just...
When we nireset yung skills for you.
Nireset. Para ano? But while waiting, oh my gosh, may outdoor na escalator. You know, guys, I heard 14 billion peso worth yan, no? Yung ring daw from Japan. Japan made it. Ayan, from the Philippines. Oh, it's okay, we're waiting for the door to open. It will take 5 minutes. Every 5 minutes, every 5 minutes or just for, ayan. Yay! So it's open na. Wow. I'm so happy. Wow.
So, bibilib ka dito.
Wow, my gosh, ang ganda. Ano to, woven? That's woven. And then, you know, woven.
So these art pieces are hand-woven by Filipino artisans.
Wow, it's so beautiful.
At saka dear, if you look at it, tingnan mo, Yeah, gawa to sa Abaca. And then the story per region is there.
Oh, per region. What's this?
So this is NCR. And look from afar. Look at it. Oh.
Anong simbahan po ito?
Intramuros. O, see? Then
This
may
one.
explanation. Ito. So there's an explanation. Cordillera Administrative Region. Philippine Ingenuity. At saka there may may parang projector. No?
May projector.
Because it's moving up there. No?
Wow, ang galing. At least it was nice to Ilocos.
So parang ang ganda, nakikita mo yung kasaysayan ng Pilipinas. May kwento.
It's good that I'm prepared. Oh my God. I don't know how to explain everything here. This is Luzon. Okay? It's like, we're still in Luzon.
Oh, Cagayan Valley.
Ayan. Wow! What's this? The projector.
May projector. And ito, like for example, so Abaca po ito, ma'am. O, tanungin mo yung...
So this is Abaca, no?
Yes, this is the main material is Abaca, but we use sustainable materials and recycled materials such as spare leather, some recycled cotton threads.
Ito, ang galing nitong part na to, yung may sardine run. Ito.
Sardine, right?
Look at this, ah. So this is Central Visayas. O, look, dagat.
Dagat.
Oh, that's the actual sardine run.
Oh!
Okay, and gawa ito, so dagat ito, Abaca, and ito Capiz.
Oh! Galing! Oh my gosh, I'm so proud.
Yeah, di ba? Nakaka-proud.
And I'm so proud to be Pinoy.
Yeah. Ito kay Patis Tesoro.
Oh! Okay, Patis Tesoro.
Yes.
Siyang gumawa ng gown ko.
Ay,
By the way, Patis Tesoro was the one who made my gown. So,
this one is made of piña. This is the UNESCO Intangible Heritage, piña handloom weaving.
Gee, ang ganda! Ang galing na projector, oh.
So here ko, pinapakita kung paano gawin ito.
Kasi yeah, that's how they... Sabi ko kung coconut ba? Tingnan nga eh. I asked, ano yun, coconut? Ba't ko ba sinasabi coconut?
Here, sa iba ka bigay. Napagod yung tour guide sa'yo.
Nasyak yung tour guide. Hindi katulala, hindi mak-answer. Okay. So, okay, this one.
This one is our newest region, Negros Island. So this is Negros Occidental, Negros Oriental, and Cebu.
Galing, oh.
Galing?
Oh.
They feature the ancestral houses.
Ang galing nito, shape ng mangga.
Ang galing nito!
Not in them.
Eastern Visayas. So, yan ipapakita. Oh, you're looking at Eastern Samar. May explanation.
Eastern Visayas, okay.
Eastern Visayas.
Ang ganda
So,
nito.
they're featuring the
Made of
secret
what?
regions of Sam.
Made of?
This one is a replica made out of Abaca rin po.
Abaca
And
rin?
it's hand-painted.
Ang ganda. Luzon. Oh, we're now back in Luzon. Back to back. Pampanga. It's like yung mga lanterns. Christmas lanterns. Yeah.
And gawa ito, ma'am, sa
Galing.
So, ano to? Kapis?
Kapis rin po.
Kapis, as Abaca.
Yeah, baka. So from Pampanga, lanterns, di ba?
And
lantern capital of Pampanga.
Interlacing.
Yeah, mga weavers from Cebu.
Of
Lahat.
Cebu po kasi
From
sir,
Cebu.
UNESCO Creative City of Design.
Galing. I didn't know.
Yes.
What?
Cebu is the UNESCO Creative
City of
of
Design.
Design.
Of design.
So, nandun sila Kenneth Cogbuenos.
Wow, from Cebu. Of course, we're so proud of him.
Davao.
Oh, it's called Davao. So what's this made of?
This is still made of Abaca, but it was re-embroidered po.
Oh,
Because these are actual antique costumes po. So,
actual costumes.
opo, so we just had to photograph. They were too valuable to put here. So we photographed,
So you
but we... Opo. So, but we had them all re-embroidered.
So, pag sumayaw tayo, if
Okay,
you
we'll dance there.
susundan tayo ng ano, ng AI. So, ito. Oh, yan. So, ito ka. Okay. So, gumalaw ka lang. Gumalaw lang. You have to do big movements. It will follow you. Ako yun, oh. Ako yung dahon. O, ikaw yung, ikaw yung mangga. Here. Ito may mangga dito. Ayan si Sol, yung mangga. It's following you. Look, if you do ganito, look. Susunod siya.
Here, katang dance ko, Beyonce.
Si Beyonce din yun. Beyonce. Oh.
Is.
Here may fan ka. From CCP. National Museum.
National Museum, wow, nice to meet you. All.
Yes. The more artistic things.
Oh, okay, on the person.
So, Jeremy is with the National Museum.
Yes.
Jeremy, how did the National Museum take part?
So Jeremy is with the National Museum. And Jeremy, how did the National Museum take part on this?
Well, DOT and TPP came to me saying, because this expo is all about sustainability and future thinking, how can we inject that into our pavilion? And one of the ways of doing that is circling it back home, bringing back home to our people how we represented ourselves here in Osaka. So how could the museum help with that? So because there's so much cultural in here, we agreed we could try to take into the museum and restage a lot of these elements. So,
Wow, it's so amazing. Nakakaiyak and I'm so proud. Ang ganda.
yes, I love it.
Our favorite words is one.
That's only my words. Beautiful, amazing, and nice. So, Karen, what are the
Ang
others?
galing ko daw na direct.
Beautiful. What else?
Favorite words po ng
Nice.
lola ninyo.
Nice and beautiful.
Amazing.
Nice.
Beautiful. Nice.
Tatlo lang. Can we add some more?
Thesaurus na tayo.
I don't know. Vocabularies? Okay, kulang ko sa vocabulary. So here,
AI photo.
AI.
AI art.
AI art. Okay.
Would you want to try?
Yeah, I want to try. What will happen?
Press start.
Start. Okay, go start. Accept.
Yes.
And, okay.
Pick your theme.
Choose your style. Okay, I love this. Wow, so beautiful and nice and amazing. Okay, 3 vocabularies only, okay? Sige.
You press select.
Select. Ready. Smile and follow the circle. Did you know that the Philippines has the largest Japanese descendant community in Southeast Asia? Well, the answer is, I don't know. I don't know. So, did you know? Okay, what else? Oh! Nakakaiyak. Ako ba yan? Here, ako ba? Parang si Tita. Si Tita mo.
Gusto mo ng isa pa.
Naiyak ako. Okay, let's go. I'm so hungry. But I had an amazing time. Beautiful and nice. Okay, wait na. 3 words only. Can you teach me another vocabulary?
Wait, lot, maganda ka. Ika, lot.
Sige, titignan ko. Sige.
Yung dalawa dyan. Lot. Go, lot.
A lot.
Ano gusto mo? Wait, pwede ka banana, bulaklak.
Ano gusto mo?
Bulaklak.
Very good choice. Okay, very good choice, lot. Ako kinakabahan, baka mabuhay ang Hemlin. Ayun, Shoman.
Ayan na. Did you know?
The Philippines.
Did you know the Philippines have two-thirds of the earth?
Biodiversity.
Ayaw niyang basahin yan. Gusto na skip. Ano?
Did you know? Ay, ayan na. Ito na.
Parang si Mama Lee. Hi, Mama Lee. Si Mama Lee yung sa ano? Yung mami ni Grace.
Hindi naman natatawa.
Parang,
Ano reaction mo?
mukha po siyang Koreana.
Tinanggal niya braces mo. Tinanggal ang braces.
Okay guys, that's it. We had fun. And it's lunchtime. By the way, I'm here with Michelle Patalera, and of course,
Michelle, also known as.
Swing. Okay, Swing, what's this?
So we have the tote bags featuring Love the Philippines and of course our
Expo logo. Souvenir item yan ang tourist. Yes.
Galing.
Everything.
Everything. So, okay, ayaw ko ba akong bigyan ng isang ganito?
Hindi ka bahala sa'yo.
Ngayon, si Marga, pinapahanapan ako ng scarf. Kasi naka-French. Gusto ko ng
Ito ang pulo scarf yan from the class.
Oh, I have that.
Yes. Bagay na bagay sa'yo.
Yes, ang galing.
And kay Lot-Lot na.
So, how can we buy this in the Philippines? No.
It's only available here. It's an exclusive merch.
So, these are for sale?
Yes. Everything there.
Wow, okay guys, look. Paano ka hindi magpa-proud? Michelle.
Yes, thank you.
AKA Soleil. Nice to meet you.
See you, sis.
Pila na lang yung USA.
Since I don't this is what country?
Ano pa ma'am? Ang Vietnam po.
Ano?
Vietnam.
Ano? Vietnam. Ayun, no, kitang-kita ko, friends.
France ba?
Friends. Pero kitang-kita niya, Vietnam. Let's go.
Vietnam.
Vietnam.
Opo.
Pili mong Vietnam yung Christian Dior daw and Louis Vuitton, Vietnam. Medyo, guys. Namali ako ng outfit. Very French ang suot ko. Eh, Pinoy pala. Of course, Philippines. So, I'm so wrong to wear this. Kasi it's so not Pinoy, it's so French. So now we're going to UAE. Okay, I want to see that because you know, guys, I'll launch my small step skin in UAE. So that's why I want to look at the UAE pavilion. Guys, so 1 hour wait just to get inside.
Qatar Pavilion. Ito yung UAE.
So, where's this?
United Arab Emirates.
United Arab Emirates.
Yeah, so this is the pavilion.
Pavilion of the UAE. Wow, look at this. Oh, you love them? Pinoy and Korean. Yeah, tama sila. Gwapo daw ang guys here. So UAE.
Okay, we have something interesting right over here actually.
Okay.
This is Emirati dagger, which is also used on a joyous occasion for formal attire. This is made of silver, metal, and ivory. This part. And Islamic countries, men can only use silver accessories.
Is that right?
Yes.
Actually,
You don't go.
Women can use anything.
Men
Men only silver.
They can only wear silver.
Only silver. That's right.
Men
We have no choice. It's only silver.
Even if you like gold, like this.
Women can use whatever they like. But this is just really just.
And what is this made of?
This is made of date palm trees fronds. So date palm trees have those leaves, right?
Yeah.
So these will be the spines of the leaves.
Signs of the leaves.
Yes, if you see it close enough, you can see where the leaves used to be.
Oh.
Right, you can touch them. So when you enter the pavilion, you have this special aroma.
Oh,
This is
yeah.
all from this.
I can
All
smell
from
it.
this. Yes, we collected 2 million of these.
2 million of
2
this.
million of these fronds.
So you killed them all?
They're trees, they're already dead.
Ah, there. Okay.
Yes.
That's good to hear.
Yes, we don't leave any waste behind. So these are some couple of the hospitality tools. This is called Medhan. It's an incense burner. So when a guest arrives to your house, you want to accommodate and welcome them with a special smell. So what they do is when the guests arrive, the guests will put their clothes over it.
Ooh.
Yes. So in back then, this was also used as an alternative for perfume.
Perfume. How do you call it?
Medhan.
Medhan.
Medhan. So this is called the Medhan.
Medhan.
Well, what the incense itself is called the Bahu. Bahu is what you burn.
Sa kanila, mabango ang baho.
Ang baho.
Sa atin, mabaho ang baho.
This is a coffee pot called Dalla. Yeah, so when the guests arrive, what we do as a hospitality, we serve Arabian coffee, which is called the Gawa coffee, and we also serve it. So something bitter and something sweet. So all flavor inside. No coffee inside.
No coffee.
No coffee inside. You can go to the restaurant.
No-smell niya, ma'am.
So we're going back to the Philippine Pavilion. There's a program.
Okay, let's go.
Thank you.
We're going back to Philippines.
Thank you.
So much.
Thank you. Pleasure.
Thank you.
Thank you for coming.
It's the Philippine Day today. What here? Philippine Day today, so the parade is here.
Voice teacher niya nandun.
Voice teacher ka nandun, no? Gosh, wow! I'm so surprised! Part of my voice teacher! She's here! See, ang galing na voice coach ko. Oh, ang galing ba ako?
Yes, galing siya.
Oh my God, the best. And ang galing niya. She's here, ha? She's here. Wow, my God. My voice teacher.
Okay. Oh my God, look. So we're going up there. He said it's 3 kilometers in diameter. Oh my God, it's up to there. Look here, Robbie. Oh my God. And they spent like 14 billion pesos for this, for the ring.
So, okay, we're now up here. We want to look at the whole view of the World Expo.
Grabe yun, hanggang doon.
3 kilometers to, lot, makakauwi ka na sa Antique.
Oh my God.
Oo, makakauwi ka na sa Antique. Lakarin mo yan.
Grabe yung laki dami.
That's up to there, oh. That's 3 kilometers. Oh.
Grabe.
Okay, let's go. I wanna eat and leave and go to the hotel. And
Bababa ka na agad.
tomorrow we come back.
Okay.
Okay, anong song mo kanina?
Salamat.
Taas ng voice. Oh, by the way, hanggang kailan ko dito?
Hanggang bukas po, meron na kaming half day. So, ngayon po kami.
Where? Manila.
Manila, tapos flight na po.
Uy,
Sila the show. Sila the
New York ka na ba?
New York based na po.
Oh my gosh.
Sa mga taga New York po na Filipinas, ayan po, kasama ko yung Tita Small. I made it to her vlog. Always po ako nanonood.
Here, of course, idol. And you know what? So, ano nang gagawin sa mo?
I work po ako.
Dental?
Wala na, dental assistant po bago
So, what do you do now?
Makata po, binibigyan po ako ng trabaho na aking coach, Michael.
Michael Bublé? Oh, that's very Hollywood.
Sobra po. Nakakamangha nga po.
Nagugulat ka rin. And who else?
I've worked with David Foster.
David Foster?
Then hopefully I'll be back po. Pag-release na po kami ng EP, si Michael Bublé will produce everything. Wow!
I'm proud of you.
Thank you.
Oh, more power and more success.
Salamat po. Nice to see you po.
Nice to see you.
Finally, grabe ha.
Oh my God.
Galing. I made it to the vlog ha.
Thank you.
No bashing.
Thanks, so.
Thank you.
Okay, that's Sofronio Vasquez. Oh my gosh, ang galing niya, di ba? Pinoy Pride. Okay, lot. Uwi na tayo. Tapos ka na bang mag-take off?
Ako sa po, ma'am.
Okay, please. Kanina mo pa ako pinapanakot. Yung camera mo, up, down. So, hindi ko alam saan ako dito. Up or down. Okay, let's go. I just visited the UAE Pavilion, Philippines, and the others are outside. Kasi na-tired na kami and may time yung program ng Philippines where nag-watch kami ng mga CCP, yung dance, Secretary Fresco, and Marga Nograles, of course. Congratulations, ang galing! The CCP dancers, si Sofronio Vasquez, of course, ang galing! So proud of the Pinoys! So guys, tomorrow we'll try to come back and look at other pavilions, but for now we'll go home and rest and eat. So I hope to see you guys here tomorrow. That's it for the World Expo for today. Came here for the Philippine performance. Hey guys, thanks for watching my vlog. If you want to watch more videos, click here. And if you want to watch more videos, click here. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Bye!